कॉर्पोरेट राज में अब हम बात करेंगे 1986 में बनी सोनाटा सॉफ्टवेयर की। 15,300 करोड़ रुपए से ज़्यादा का मार्केट कैप है इस कंपनी का। दिग्गज मॉडर्नाइजेशन एंड डिजिटल इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी है। नॉर्थ अमेरिका, यूरोप, एशिया पैक पैसिफिक में कंपनी काम करती है। नतीजों की बात कर लेते हैं। सितंबर तिमाही में नतीजे एक्चुअली मिले जुले रहे। आय 5% घटी है, 1900 करोड़ रुपए पर आई है। वहीं डॉलर आय 5% बढ़कर 8 करोड़ आई है। मुनाफा भी 3% बढ़कर 125 करोड़ पर है। मार्जिन में हल्की सी मजबूती देखने को मिली है। आज स्टॉक में ठीक ठाक तेज़ी देखने को मिल रही है। वह नतीजों के क्या ट्रिगर्स और आगे किस तरीके का आउटलुक है, एक्विजिशन को लेकर कंपनी क्या आगे प्लान करेगी, जानने के लिए चलते हैं। स्वागत करना चाहूँगी कंपनी के CFO जगन्नाथ चक्रवर्ती का। सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग ऑन आवर शो। पहले तो सर नंबर्स पर मैं जानना चाहूँगी, रेवेन्यू जो आपका थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है यहाँ पर 5% से जो गिरा है, उसकी क्या कारण थे, और टॉप लाइन में अब क्या हम आगे आउटलुक रखें कंपनी की तरफ से?
Good afternoon all. Thanks for giving this opportunity to share our thoughts with our investors. We have to see our business into two. Although we publish a consolidated result, please don't go with that because we have two different businesses. One is international business, another is domestic business. Domestic business had a small drop in the revenue because of the seasonal impact. Next quarter will be a large quarter for them. So always quarter two is soft for them. Although we have to measure the domestic business on the gross contribution, and the gross contribution has been going up. The international business had a very, very strong quarter in this kind of market. We had a dollar revenue growth of 4.6% quarter on quarter and constant currency growth of almost 5.2%. Very, very strong growth, and we have been doing this for the last 4 quarters continuously, above 4 to 4.5% every quarter. This we continue to hold our guidance that we will be in the high teens growth for the year. Our EBITDA before other income and forex also grew by about 2% this quarter because of the improvement in the utilization as well as the change in the onset offshore mix for us. We believe that we will continue to our investments in the in AI and in Microsoft Fabric, which we announced last quarter, will be continuing to be there. And based on the requirement of the business, our investments will continue. We are the other area, the large deal, what we announced in March, we were able to complete the transition of the project. Hence, there is a recovery from this large deal also in this quarter. Other two large deals, what we announced last quarter, continue to be in the transition. It may complete the transition only by Q4 or Q1 of next year. We are very, our pipeline and order book is very strong.
Sure, sir.
And we are very, very confident of meeting the targets.
ओके, तो आप कह रहे हैं टारगेट्स आप मीट करेंगे, ऑर्डर बुक स्ट्रांग है, डिमांड अच्छे दिख रहे हैं, ओवरऑल नंबर्स, और अगर फॉरवर्ड आउटलुक की बात करते हैं तो पॉजिटिव ही आप इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं। सर, ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन्स जो आपके बड़े हैं 130 बेसिस पॉइंट्स ऑन अ क्वार्टर बेसिस, ये आपने कैसे मतलब बढ़ाए, इसका क्या कारण रहा, मार्जिन इंक्रीज जो हुआ है, और क्या ये सस्टेनेबल होगा? प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड मार्जिन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कंपनी का क्या आउटलुक है?
आउटलुक क्या है ना, ये अभी ये इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा यूटिलाइजेशन और ये ऑनसाइट ऑफशोर मिक्स में चेंज किया था, और वो ये इसलिए हमारा मार्जिन अच्छा था एक क्वार्टर पे. नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर वी हैव टोल्ड यू दैट वी विल मेंटेन द लोअर 20s मार्जिन है, तो इधर ये आउटलुक है. We will continue to invest in AI and other opportunities for our future growth. So we are very confident of maintaining the lower 20 margin in the coming quarters.
तो मार्जिन मेंटेन करने की आप बात कर रहे हैं। सर, जो 1:1 बोनस शेयर आपने शेयर होल्डर्स के लिए अनाउंस किया, उसका पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा हमें बताएं सर। लास्ट ईयर ऑल्सो बोनस इशू किया था, क्या अब हम एक्सपेक्टेशन रख सकते हैं कि यही ट्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ेंगे कंपनी की तरफ से?
क्या है ना, ये we are very, very confident about our business at present, and we believe that to thank our shareholders who have continued to impose faith on us for the growth. We wanted to thank our shareholders. Thanks to our board, we were able to approve the 1:1 bonus for the shareholders. अभी ये हेल्प करेंगे हम लोग इन शेयर होल्डर्स को बेनिफिट देने के लिए, इसलिए ये अनाउंस किया था. This will also help the shareholders to grow their wealth by investments in Sonata software. And the market overall, Indian market outlook is good. There can be some temporary blips in that, but we are very, very confident of our growth. We want to share that perspective with our shareholders.
ओके, सो ग्रोथ मेंटेन। सर, जब आप बोनस इशू करते हैं तब क्या फैक्टर्स इसमें आते हैं, थोड़ा सा समझना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि 2 साल लगातार आए हैं, तो आगे ये ट्रेंड अगर कंटिन्यू होगा तो किन फैक्टर्स पर ये निर्भर करेगा, और आपको लग रहा है कि ये ट्रेंड आप कर पाएंगे कंटिन्यू?
Yeah. Last year we were able to give only for 1 share for every 3 shares of bonus. This quarter, this year we have given 1:1. We will reevaluate it whenever it's we believe that we have to share the same with shareholders. But we will continue to pay the dividend, and in future, based on the situation, we may consider all the options available to us. But this after this only in future, may not be every year we may do this. We may consider it appropriately at the right time, because this is also going to help to multiply the number of shares for the shareholders, and also this will bring in a liquidity for the market for people who want to invest also. So all this consideration, there are various other factors consideration. At the end of the day, we wanted to share the wealth creation opportunity for shareholders, and also appreciate their continued faith in the company.
ऑल राइट, तो ये तो बात हुई सर बोनस शेयर्स की। अब आपने कहा कि ऑर्डर पाइपलाइन बहुत स्ट्रांग दिख रही है, तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी डील विंस कैसी रही इस क्वार्टर में, और आउटलुक क्या लग रहा है 2 से 3 क्वार्टर्स में आपकी ऑर्डर बुक का फिलहाल और आगे आउटलुक?
The order book is strong for us, and the pipeline is also strong for us. We have been consistently winning the large deals in the last couple of quarters. That has actually helped us during this kind of times in the market. We are the high tech, and there is to some extent in healthcare sector there is a softness. However, we are very, very confident of sailing through this softness in the market, and then probably in the next couple of quarters it will improve. That's our outlook, and but we will continue to do well in this market also.
आपका अगर हम देखें ओवरऑल हेड काउंट हैज़ गॉन डाउन बाय 175 एम्प्लॉइज। ओवरऑल हायरिंग टारगेट क्या है सर FY24 का?
Yeah, we have the hiring is based on the requirements. We have not put any specific number for hiring. The large deals transition has been completed, hence that because of the transition there is some optimization on the headcount. And this quarter we have not put any stoppages on hiring also. We have not done that also. We are still open for, because based on the opportunity we do hiring, and we will continue to be optimistic in this outlook. We were not able to fulfill the AI people who have hiring of the people in the AI skill set for the future project, that we couldn't complete in Q2, which we continue to focus on hiring people. That may help us to fulfill those areas in Q3. But it is depending on the business, whatever is required, we will be able to hire. There is no freeze on hiring from us.
सर, मैं आपसे क्विकली जानना चाहूँगी, आपने कहा एक्विजिशन पर भी, क्योंकि आपने पहले भी जो एक्विजिशंस किए वो कैसे पैन आउट हुए, आगे क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगी फॉर FY24? कुछ अच्छी कंपनीज, कोई स्पेसिफिक वर्टिकल जहां आपको लगता है अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ सकती हैं?
We have the acquisition of Quant has worked out very well for us. It has been a very, very successful acquisition. This has integrated completely. The go-to-market is completely integrated, and we are able to now completely in the ground level. Even for the customers of Quant, we are able to say cross-sell our services in Sonata. It's a very, very completely, very nicely integrated acquisition. We will continue to focus on acquisition opportunities whenever it is required to be done. There is no compulsion for us to acquire anything specifically, but we are open for acquisition. And in the coming days, we will reevaluate on what is an opportunity available based on the situation and the opportunity that comes up. We will continue to be open for acquisitions.
और सर सवाल आपका जो जेनरेटिव AI प्लेटफॉर्म Harmony.ai, इस पर जो एंटरप्राइज स्केल परफॉर्मेंस उसकी कैसी रही इस क्वार्टर में, कितना पॉसिबल रेवेन्यू पोटेंशियल आप इससे देख रहे हैं, और इसी तरीके से अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एआई स्पेस में आप किस तरह डेवलप कर रहे हैं?
This we are at present no proposal to customers is without AI. The generative AI or AI as a whole implementation, we have recently won a deal with one of the customers, which we have announced this quarter for as a large deal, is completely an AI-driven deal, and we are going to give the opportunity for the AI implementation of AI in their operations to bring in the efficiency for the customer. It's almost every deal is having a AI component to it. What we believe that in the coming future, probably in the near future, we may be able to take our revenue of almost like 25% of our revenue as a AI revenue. That is very much possibility, and there is plenty of opportunity for AI in the coming days. We are continue to invest in AI use cases, and the other technology investments in AI will continue to be for us. And in fact, there is quite number of people, almost like 1,700, 1,800 people have been AI trained in our organization. And we have a very, very strong, one of the leading customers. We have almost like 100 people build for AI opportunities, which is a very, very solid development for our organization. We
Okay.
believe AI is a great opportunity.
ओके, फेयर इनफ सर। प्राइसिंग फ्रंट पर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी, हम बाकी आईटी कंपनी से बात कर रहे थे, ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर वेरी बिग कंपनीज, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा प्रेशर देख रहे हैं कुछ जोग्राफीज़ में, स्पेशली जहाँ वॉलीटिलिटी है, यू नो द एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट इज़ वेरी टफ। अमेरिका की बात कर लीजिए, थोड़ा बहुत यूरोप में भी असर दिख रहा है। आप कुछ इस तरह से देख रहे हैं आपके बिजनेस में, जहाँ पर क्लाइंट्स नेगोशिएट कर रहे हैं ऑन एग्जिस्टिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स या डेफर कर रहे हैं स्पेंड्स, ऐसे कोई इंडिकेशन आपको आ रहे हैं?
Not at all. Our pricing is very, very strong, and we have not seen any pressure on pricing at all at present from the market. There are efficiency which customer will ask for because of the newer technology like AI application into it, but there is no pricing pressure in the market at present. The deal closure, some of the deals, there will be some small portion of the deals have some delays happen, but that's in any time like this when the market is little slow, these kinds of things can happen. But that is not for majority of the deals, we are not seeing the same. This is very a small portion for us at present. We continue to close the deals, and we are continue to be optimistic on the deal closures in the coming days.
ज्योग्राफी वाइज आप कहाँ पर ज़्यादा बुलिश हैं, जो ज्योग्राफी आपके लिए आउट परफॉर्म कर सकती है और सेगमेंट आउट परफॉर्म कर सकता है वर्टिकल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, वो क्या है जिस पर आप बेट कर रहे हैं?
US geography is doing well for us. We continue to be bullish on US. Except for high tech and healthcare, other verticals are fine for us.